So, all right, so now that Ubuntu is installed on my computer, I'm going to click Launch to open up my new Linux operating system that is within my Windows system right now. So the first time you open it, it's going to take a few minutes because it needs to finish installing. And then when it's ready, it will ask you to set up a new username. So I'm going to create a username for this operating system. I'm just going to call it Lantern. And then I'm going to give it a password. I'm going to type it in again. All right. So now what I did is I finished the installation for setting up Ubuntu as my Linux operating system that is housed within, that is running as a virtual machine within my Windows 10 computer. And so the reason why we had to do that is because every operating system requires a user. And so we created a user. And I'm calling this Lantern, but you can call it the same username that you use for your Windows 10 computer. It's just, it's up to you. All right, so now that I have set up Ubuntu for the first time on my computer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update all of my system packages. So an easy way to do that is to run a command called sudo apt update. And what this does is it will search Ubuntu's package registry to see what the latest versions of all of the software that Ubuntu uses in order to operate all of its dependencies, to check to see that they're all up to date. And what we can see from this command is that there are 95 packages that can be upgraded. So what we're going to do is just run this command again, and to save time, I'm going to press the up button, the up key on my computer keyboard. I'm going to change this from update to upgrade. Enter. It's going to ask me, am I sure that I want to add all of these packages? And I'm going to click yes to continue, because I do want the latest versions of these software packages. And so this is going to run for about a minute or so. And from there, I'll be able to start using this system. All right, now all of my software is set up and complete. And just for safekeeping, what I'm going to do is add this Ubuntu terminal to my taskbar. So I'm going to right-click the icon in my taskbar and pin it so that it's easy for me to access if I want to access it again in the future.